Hi, bestie. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am really excited. I am doing a cloth and paper unboxing. If you know, you know. Their aesthetic is just always on point, and then they're always on edge, trying something new and trying something different. And that's why they're a trailblazer in the planner community. So I just cannot wait for you to see what I got. It's just like super minimal, neutral, just the signature cloth and paper vibe. So let's get into this box. This box is huge. This box is so huge. Alright, so the box is huge because of that. But let me get all the other things out of the box and then we'll just jump right into my Happy Meal that I got from Cloth and Paper. Just in case if you're new here, welcome. I am a planner girl. I do cash stuff in a budgeting as well. But I was a planner girl first. And I absolutely love cloth and paper. Alright, so I did end up getting the Metro Tote. Did you get the Metro Tote? And I got it in Padrillo. If I pronounced that wrong, let me know. I was trying to decide what color to get. And I said, you know what? Let me just go ahead and get black. Cause I didn't get black in the Valencia bag. Alright, so let's see. Here's the pocket. Of course, we saw when Ashley showed us the Metro bags on Happy Hour Live. This bag is huge. Now, actually having it here with me, I didn't realize it was so big. It has so much space in it. And of course, Ashley showed us all the things that she placed in hers, but just actually having it here, it has several pocket spaces, has that divider in the back. It has the silver hardware on it. And I cannot wait to use this. Now, here is my Valencia bag so you can see, hopefully you can see the difference. I mean, because the bag is huge and my computer desk is small. So, you really can't get the full effect, but I did end up placing it against my Louis Vuitton Neverfull. It's definitely better than my Neverfull, and it's also better than my LV Artsy. Okay, so I have to add the strap to the bag, but first I need to remove the plastic off of the hardware. This bag is huge, guys. It's a really nice size. I think I can fit my Valencia in here. I'm not gonna try it, but I think I can put it in there. Okay, so it does have the purse feet or the purse studs at the bottom of the bag. And like the Valencia that I have, it has the gold hardware, but this one has the silver. The Valencia has the studs at the bottom as well to protect your bag when you're laying it down. So this one has 5 on here. Alright, so that's that. But yeah, it's a huge bag. Now I just have to decide what I'm going to place in this. It's most likely will probably be my new planner bag. That's what I'm thinking. Alright, so now let's go ahead and deep dive into the rest of my order. I did get some spiral dashboard and the A5 dashboard. Alright, let's see what freebies I got today. So this is a card that says what lasts. I need to add this to my other planner. Well, I don't know, unless I use it as an aesthetic. I'll probably just place it in my new planner. Not my new planner, but when I carry use it. Because typically I would just place these cards in the other one. But I think I'm going to use it as decor. Because with these new dashboards, it's going to change my setup And I do need to place, like, I want some black aesthetic once I add the covers to my spiral planner. Alright, so these are the covers and the new dashboards I got for my A5 spiral. And let me get my planner so I can go ahead and add those things into it. So I guess I'm going to start off with the A5 dashboard first. Alright, so this one was released a few weeks ago. And I was waiting because I had saw that they would have more spiral dashboard sets. And this is the analog embossed planner dashboard that has this card here. So let me get my A5 planner. And my A5 is my blackout planner that I have. And I'll just add that there. And I'm thinking I'll probably just place this vellum card in my pocket. Alright, so let me add this. I think I'm going to have to end up moving one of those planner clips because this didn't know that covered there. Let's see, I think I'm going to go ahead and place the A5 dashboard right here. And I might end up changing it later, not sure, but for right now, I'm going to place it right here for the moment. And then I'll just place this here. And I might end up just changing some things around. And, that clip right here is placing dents in my cover because I had ended up changing out the cover that I had before because it has dents, and it's definitely coming from that planner clip with the gem on it. So let me place this in the back so I won't damage any of my covers or my dashboards again. Alright, so that's it for my A5, and everything else is for my A5 spiral. Now, I won't be adding all the covers to my A5 spiral for the moment, but I think I'm going to... Okay, so I do have this dashboard here, and I do have the covers. I forgot I got that dashboard. Let's see. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and use the brush, the Drybrush, as the cover for my spiral. And I'm definitely gonna have to change my aesthetics in my pocket since I'm gonna add this to the front. And I'm so glad that Cloth and Paper created these spiral dashboards just to give my A5 planner another aesthetic. So I'm glad about that, and I'm hoping this year in November box when we do get our A5 spiral that I absolutely love the inserts they included. And we did get a dashboard, and then we did get the monthly dividers. But hopefully they can include something, a different like design, so we can change the cover with something like this. Alright. And I'm still using my spiral, guys. Still using it. And I just remember in the past, I would just switch. I don't think I'm going to use these two here. For right now, I'm just going to place the white ones back in the package. Because I was thinking about I could do some for certain months. Or like in the beginning, I do have my vision board and my goals in the beginning of the planner. I don't know. But we shall see, and I need to go ahead and add the back. Maybe I should remove this folder because my spiral is definitely chunky. But if Cloth and Paper is going to consider adding more like dashboards and accessories that we can buy for our A5 spiral, I wonder would they make the spiral bigger. I wonder would they do that. And has Cloth and Paper ever had a black spiral for the A5 spiral planner that they do in November. I can't remember if they do, because I would typically give the planners away as Christmas presents. So I really didn't pay attention to the spiral planner that we got in the November boxes. Like, this is my first time actually using a planner, keeping it and using it for myself. And I've been extremely pleased with my A5 spiral. And I really think, cause I've been consistent using this, and I think if they had that A5 spiral in the intention box, I think I would probably order it. But I'm not sure how many people use it, because by having the inserts in the dashboard, it's allowing us just to customize it like we do with our ring and our discount planners. But I'm thinking that the spirals probably will have to be larger so we can add more things to it. Alright, so I'm adding this back cover here, and I'm not sure. I'm losing my voice. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it in my LV desk agenda. I might end up taking it out, but if I do keep it in my LV desk agenda, I definitely need to change the aesthetic in the pocket in the front. I'm going to change it around and add some new planner cards that would go good with this cover. So Bessie, let me know which band you think, like if I don't have it in my LV desk cover, if I use the band, if I should use the like white one, transparent one, or the red one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Man, I like the red because it pops. I do like that. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Should I use the red or this transparent clear one? Now, I do have some additional colors of the band in pink, blue. Of course, I have the orange. And I will leave the links for that band, those bands in the different colors in the comments. But I only bought this color, these two colors here for the moment. And I'm placing them on here so you can let me know which one you think I should keep on here. I like the red. But let me know. And like I said, I do have additional colors, but I don't have it with me at the moment. And I'll leave that link in the description. And let me go ahead and add the dashboard, and then I will be finished with today's unboxing because I have one more dashboard to add. Let me go ahead and get this one. I don't even remember having this one in my cart. I'm thinking this must have been the one that had the pop-up. Because I don't think originally I was planning on getting this dashboard here. But I did. I think it was a sale or a discount. You know when you check out and something pop up? I think that's what it was. Because it wasn't my intention to get this one. But since I have it, let me go ahead and add it in here. And this is the ink blot clear dashboard duo here. And I think I'm just going to go ahead and place it right here in the beginning of my planner. And I need to add, I probably need to change out my clips that I have in here. And I'm thinking if I keep the band on it, I'm definitely not going to keep it in my LV cover. Now I'm thinking I probably should place it in my transparent cover. Because I do have the transparent cover. Or should I place it in my pony hair cover? I'm not sure if this will fit in the ponytail cover. But let me know which band you would pick. Let me know in the comments. And I just want to thank you for taking time watching my unboxing. Have an awesome day. Toodles!